forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everybody, happy Sunday and welcome back to the channel Datmisa TV. Today we are in the parish of Clarendon and we will be looking at a brand new gated development called Glenmuir Country Club. Now, as the name suggests, this development is within the Glenmuir area in Clarendon, and this development is actually a stone's throw or just a walk away from Glenmuir High School and Denby High School. Now on the screen, as we always do, you can see a little bit of the community, what the area looks like. We were pleasantly surprised when Outlaw and I went down here. Really nice area with some beautiful houses. So here you can see a little bit of the area and what it looks like. A little bit more information about Glenmuir Country Club. So Glenmuir Country Club will feature 55 units in total. These units will consist of 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom bungalows, 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom bungalows, and townhomes, which will be 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Now the bungalows, they lay on a land size of 6,000 plus square feet, and the townhomes, they lay on a lot size of 3,000 plus square feet. Amenities for this new development will include a swimming pool, a clubhouse. It's gated and there will be 24-hour security. Okay. Prices. Now prices start from 24 million Jamaican dollars for the 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse. Guys, my UK people, you came for me in my last video and said, Deezer, you need to put the prices in pounds. So 24 million Jamaican dollars for the 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse. That is roughly equivalent to £120,000 at today's exchange rate. In dollars, US dollars, that's about 172,000 US dollars. The 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom bungalow starts at 30.5 million Jamaican dollars. In pounds, that's about 153,000 UK pounds, and in US, that's roughly about 218,000 US dollars. And the 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom bungalow, starting price 31.6 million Jamaican dollars. That's roughly about 158,000 UK pounds at today's rate, and in dollars, that's about 226,000 US dollars. Now guys, we went to this development, we drove up there, Outlaw and I, and we managed to get on site. So we had a little look around and you'll see that soon. We managed to capture that, but guys, there was nobody there for us to talk to about the development, or we couldn't get inside the model unit. Okay, what we got to understand is you have to make an appointment because of the COVID. You have to make an appointment. So guys, if you want to see this development, you have to make an appointment, but all of the details are up at the end of the video. So we will be showing you what the development looks like. We were there, but the inside of the development, you will see this, but this is provided courtesy of Coldwell Bankers, who are the realtors, the real estate agent that are selling these units. So the video that you see of the inside is provided by Coldwell Bankers. Guys, we do hope that you enjoyed this video. All the information for who to contact is at the end of the video. All the numbers you need is at the end of the video. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, share, and please do subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until the next time, dat me say.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.